Central to Mental Health First Aid Australia's course delivery is a passionate network of licensed instructors. These instructors play an important role in improving capacity for community-led care by delivering mental health first aid training in workplaces, schools, tertiary institutions and communities nationwide. Licensed instructors are not employees of Mental Health First Aid Australia. They either work within an organisation delivering mental health first aid training courses to their colleagues as an internal employee, or they are self-employed and delivering mental health first aid training courses as independent contractors. Delivering mental health first aid training as an independent contractor offers a range of benefits and opportunities, including flexibility and autonomy. Independent contractors can choose to deliver courses at times and locations that suit them. They can determine how best to market their business and set course fees. And there's also the opportunity to deliver training across a range of different communities and organisations. Training a staff or group member to become a licensed mental health first aid instructor can be a cost-effective and sustainable way to embed training within an organisation. By delivering training in their organisation, embedded instructors can contribute towards improving individual wellbeing and creating a more mentally healthy workplace, school, tertiary institution or community organisation. There are two options available when it comes to becoming a licensed mental health first aid instructor. You can either attend a public instructor training course or coordinate private instructor training. While both courses are face-to-face and happen over 4 or 5 days, their suitability will depend on the scale of your training plans, including how many people you are wanting to train as instructors. A public instructor training course is ideal for organisations who are wanting to train less than 10 people as instructors. To enrol, you will need to search from the public courses listed on our website. Private instructor training courses can be an efficient and effective way for organisations wanting to train more than 10 staff or group members as instructors. Private instructor training courses are delivered at your nominated location or at a mutually agreed external venue. For organisations opting for private instructor training, they will need to work directly with Mental Health First Aid Australia to confirm course bookings and dates. Irrespective of whether you choose a public or private instructor training pathway, any individual wanting to become an instructor must meet all eligibility criteria prior to attending a course. This includes being a current accredited mental health first aider in the same course that they are wanting to complete instructor training in. For example, to become a standard mental health first aid instructor, you need to have completed the standard mental health first aid course and accreditation exam. Prospective instructors also need excellent group facilitation, communication and interpersonal skills, as well as respectful attitudes and understanding of people with mental health problems. You can see the full list of eligibility criteria available on our website. Once the individual has met the eligibility criteria and you have identified the most suitable instructor training course pathway, the nominated staff or group member will need to complete an application to enrol. This application will be assessed by one of our Australia Program delivery specialists. After an application has been approved and the individual completes their instructor training course, they will become known as a licensed mental health first aid instructor. There are a few ongoing requirements to maintain a licence. These include delivering a minimum of 2 courses per year, paying the annual membership fee, and keeping a current working with children's check. Instructors are also responsible for organising their own courses, which includes supplying each course participant with a copy of a mental health first aid manual. There may also be added requirements, particularly for independent contractors, including venue hire, catering, and obtaining relevant public indemnity and liability insurances.